welcome, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your body to settle. Allow your mind to soften. This is your time for peace, calm, and relaxation. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the cool air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. There's no need to change your breathing. Simply notice it. If thoughts appear, let them drift away like clouds and return to the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Inhale, peace. Exhale, let go. Now let's scan through your body. Bring your focus to the top of your head. Feel a gentle wave of relaxation moving down. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, let it soften. Relax your shoulders. Release any tension you've been carrying. Allow your arms to feel heavy and relaxed. Soften your chest. Feel your breath expanding and releasing. Relax your stomach. Let it be at ease. Feel the relaxation moving down your legs, through your feet. Your whole body is now calm, heavy, peaceful, and at rest. Now imagine yourself in a serene place. It could be a quiet forest, a gentle ocean shore, or a wide open sky. See the colors around you. Hear the gentle sounds of nature. Feel the safety, the peace, and the comfort this place gives you. You are completely at ease here. With every breath, feel more connected to this place of calm. Here there is no worry, no stress, only stillness. Now gently repeat these affirmations in your mind or simply listen. being. Feel the peace growing with every breath. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Begin to notice the room around you, the surface beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this calm, this peace, and this relaxation with you into the rest of your day.